Hello, and welcome to the Basic CESS Workshop, Section 8, Overview. In Section 8, we use Model Takeoff to estimate a visitor center roof repair and review the cost. We will estimate a roof repair with another type of roof and compare the costs in the spreadsheet. It's recommended that you have completed Sections 1 through 7 before attempting this section. A reminder to watch the recording for each activity all the way through before attempting the work yourself. I'll indicate when you are to stop the recording and perform the activity. Let's begin. Activity 17, Roof Repair. We'll start by creating a CESS estimate. Find your region, your park, the Other folder, the CESS Workshop folder, and then your username. Right-click on your username folder, New, and thread through Timberline Estimate. We'll name our file Visitor Center Roof Replacement. Click through the red asterisks on the left. Each red asterisk will indicate that there are yellow fields present that are required fields. Verify that the Open Estimate in Timberline Estimating checkbox is done, and then click Finish. From your new CESS estimate, click Model Takeoff from the toolbar. Click Expand, find Renovation, R1 Building Renovation. Click the Interview button. For your required model reference, let's use Visitor Center Roof Repair, Asphalt Shingles. We can skip the building size definition portions of the interview. We're going to work only in the roof repair module of the model, and it has its own dimensional inputs. So we'll page down and find Roofing Repair Replacement. First, let's select the roofing type, asphalt shingles. We'll accept the default roof pitch. We'll select the measurement method as 2 square foot as measured on the roof. And we'll use 2400 for our roof dimension. We'll do a 100% replacement We'll confirm that the roof area is 2,400 feet, rectangular, and we'll use the shape, the aspect ratio of 1.5. That gives us a default perimeter of 200. We'll assume the default 10% of sheathing will need to be replaced. We'll leave water and ice shield blank. We'll use no valley flashing. We'll take a flex roll ridge vent and we'll use 60 feet. Pipe vent material, we'll select neoprene. And a 2-inch pipe size. Let's enter 8 pipes to be flashed. Drip edge will be number 1, aluminum white. No chimney work. And we'll change the length of pitched roof eave to 60 and our width to 40. Notice that when we override the defaults, an arrow with an X in it appears. This is not an error message. It just means we've chosen to override the default settings. If you ever need to, you can right-click and restore those defaults. Type of gutter, we'll choose number 3, galvanized 5-inch. With 120 feet. Downspout will be a number 4, 4-inch galvanized. And we'll add 40 feet. That'll complete our entries for the roof replacement. We'll scan. No incomplete entries. We clear that message with OK, and we click OK to the interview. We'll click Close, return to Model Takeoff, select the estimate as the source list, expand all. There should be one model, single model with a green dot, green for go. We'll click Generate. We'll click OK. We'll click OK to the model generation complete message. Close Generate Models. Close Model. We'll organize our spreadsheet now by model and assembly. We'll double click on the Location Phase Sequence tab. We'll remove phase. We'll remove location. We'll add assembly and add model. We'll use the priority buttons here to put model as the highest level and then assembly. We'll click OK to create the tab. We'll create OK again so the spreadsheet can generate its overline total. We can use the yellow minus sign to collapse the spreadsheet up to the assembly level. Pause the recording and complete activity 17. Activity 18, Roof Replacement Alternate. In this activity, you'll continue to use the Visitor Center Roof Replacement Estimate, and we'll use the same techniques that we used for the garage project to compare the cost to replace with wood shakes instead of asphalt shingles. Let's go to Model Takeoff. Click Estimate as the source. Expand the list. Select the already generated asphalt shingle model and click Copy Interview. Model reference will be Visitor Center Roof Repair. This time we'll identify it as wood shakes. As we page down, we just need to find the roofing repair and replacement section and make a single change to the roofing type from asphalt shingles to wood shake. Always a good idea to scroll through the inputs, make sure that there wasn't some nested logic associated with wood shakes that possibly another interview question would pop up. In this case, there aren't any. So we're good to go. We click OK. We'll click Close to the interview. We'll click the Visitor Center Roof Repair Wood Shake model with the green dot. Click Generate. Click OK. We'll click OK to the Model Generation Complete message, and we'll close Generate Models, close Model Takeoff, collapse the spreadsheet one more time, and horizontally scroll and compare the costs of the two roof repair options. Pause the recording and complete activity 18.